Now today in this module, I am here to give you a short revision practice of the syllabus which is important for your exams. So let us begin with the short question answer.
Children, some of the very important and common questions that may be asked from these two chapters are: Royal Bengal tiger found in arid forest, tropical forest, or tropical deciduous forest or mangrove forest. Next question may be asked that where do flamingo bird migrate in large number in India? Run of Kutch, Corbett, Nilgiri, or none of these. Then another question may be asked from this chapter is: Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India 1967, 1987, 1972 or 1976. All these are the important questions from this chapter. Now taking some questions from the constitutional design. The official policy of racial separation, of ill treatment of black followed by the government of South Africa was called as apartheid. Another question is an introductory system in the constitution which states the reasons and guiding value of the constitution is called preamble. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian constitution? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Short question answers becomes very easy and interesting to attempt and to score good marks. Now children, we need to go towards the long question answers where we used to check our writing skill and we used to apply our understanding of concept. Here we need to take care of our handwriting, overwriting as well as spelling mistakes. So now we are going to discuss how to write the long question answers and some important questions. So let's begin.
Among long question answer from constitutional design, very important and common question is: explain the different keywords used in the preamble of Indian Constitution. Children, as we know, preamble is the first page or the introductory page of our constitution, where highlighted words are being written which tells the feature of our constitution. So those highlighted points are only the answer of this question. So let us see the several keywords which have been used in the preamble of Indian constitutions are: number 1, we the people of India. It means the constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representatives, not by the king or any outside powers. Next feature is sovereign. Sovereign means people have supreme right to make decisions on internal as well as external matters. No external power can dictate the government of India. This is a special feature of our constitution. Now children, moving towards the third feature, that is socialist. Wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by society. So government should regulate the ownership of land and industry to reduce the socio-economic inequality. And these two features adds the beauty of Indian Constitution. Let's move towards the next feature of Indian Constitution. Number 4 is secular. Secular, as we all know, citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion, but there is no official religion. Children, government treats all religious belief and practices equally with full of respect. Next feature is democratic, a form of government where people enjoy equal political right, elect their rulers and hold them accountable. The government is run according to some basic rules. In this way, we can say India is the largest democratic nation in the world. Now, moving towards the next preamble features, let us see the word republic and justice. Republic means the head of the state is an elected person. That person is not an hereditary or the position holder by birth. Now towards the justice, citizen cannot be discriminated on the ground of caste, religion and gender. Social inequality must be reduced and government must work for the welfare of all, especially for the backward class or the disadvantaged group. Now, moving towards the next feature, liberty and equality. Liberty means there is no unreasonable restriction on the people in what they do think, they wish to do, or they express their thought and what way they wish to follow their thoughts in action. It means people have right to enjoy freedom, or they have right to express their thoughts freely. Towards equality, if we say all are equal in front of law, The traditional social inequality must be ended and the government should ensure equal opportunity for all. And the last and very important special feature which is mentioned in the preamble is fraternity. Fraternity means all of us should behave as if we are the member of same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior.
After discussion of pattern of writing long question answers and important questions in the long question answers, now we are proceeding towards the map skill. Children, map skill is again very much scoring and easy to attempt. So let's understand how to do map work and what are the important questions related to the chapter. So let's begin.
Question in the map skill may be asked in this manner. Features are marked by the numbers in given political map of India. Identify these features with the help of following information and write their correct name on the line marked on the map. Number 1 is Bird Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu, a Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, a National Park in Jammu and Kashmir, a Wildlife Sanctuary in Rajasthan, and National Park in Assam. So according to number, you have to fill the answers and finger indicating as per the question are the answers of the question which is asked in the map skill.
So that's all in the revision session of this module. Remaining revision sessions we are going to do in the upcoming modules. So till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep on doing your revision nicely and do well in your exam.